If you're tired of overcooked or undercooked meat ruining your barbecue, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth. The Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth wireless meat thermometer caught my eye immediately, especially with its price tag of $39.99. What really stood out is its promise of precise cooking with a certified accuracy of ±0.5 degrees F. If you want consistent, perfectly cooked meats every time, this is worth a serious look. You can even set temperatures directly on the device, no app required. This means you don't have to fuss with your phone while grilling. Plus, with a whopping range of 3,000 feet, you can sip your drink while keeping an eye on your meat from a distance. The 6 sensors ensure that every inch of your meat is monitored accurately, and the waterproof design makes cleanup a breeze. Now, some people complained about the setup process being a bit confusing at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the convenience it brings to your cooking routine. Plus, if you're someone who loves outdoor grilling or parties, the long-range connectivity is a game changer. This thermometer is perfect for you if you want precise control over your cooking without being tied to the grill. But if you often grill in a small space or don't mind checking your phone frequently, you might want to consider other options. At $39.99, it's a solid value for all the features you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want dual probe functionality. Product number 2, Thermomaven Smart Dual Probe. Next up is the Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer with dual probes, priced at $94.99. What drew me in is its capability to monitor 2 different meats at once. If you want to cook multiple dishes to perfection, this one's worth your attention. Why is this important for you? It features NIST-certified accuracy of ±0.5 degrees F, so there's no second-guessing your doneness. Plus, the unlimited range via Wi-Fi lets you monitor your food from anywhere in your home, so you can mingle with guests without worrying about your roast. The smart display base is user-friendly and allows you to set temperatures directly, which is great if you're not a fan of apps. However, a few users noted that the price is on the higher side compared to other models. Here's my take, while it might seem pricey, the quality and features you get justify the cost, especially if you often host gatherings. This product is perfect for those who love cooking for friends and family, especially if you want to monitor different types of meat. But if you're a solo griller looking for something more budget-friendly, you might want to skip this one. Still, considering the features, I think it's a fair price. Now, if the price of the last one bothered you, this next one is right in the mid-range and offers fantastic capabilities. Product number 3, Thermomaven 3000 FT. Coming in at $79.99, the Thermomaven 3000 FT Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer has a great balance of features and price. What grabbed my attention was its ultra-long wireless range of 3,000 feet. If you want freedom to roam while your meat cooks, this is a must-see. It also features 6 sensors for precision cooking, ensuring your meats come out perfectly every time. The large LCD display is easy to read, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Plus, you don't need to deal with any apps or sign-ups, just plug it in and you're good to go. But here's the honest flaw. While it's straightforward, some may find the lack of app connectivity limiting. If you're someone who loves smart tech and tracking everything on your phone, this might not be the best fit for you. But for those who want simplicity without sacrificing performance, it's truly a fantastic choice. This thermometer is perfect for casual grillers who value ease of use and long-range monitoring. But skip this one if you're looking for an app-controlled experience. At $79.99, it's a solid investment for quality grilling. But the next one offers more features at a lower price. Product number 4, TempPro TP829. The TempPro TP829 is priced at $51.99, and what surprised me is its 4 color-coded probes. This is a great feature if you're juggling different meats because it helps you keep track without confusion. If you want a versatile and budget-friendly option, this might be the one for you. You can set it up straight out of the box, and it has preset temps for 10 different meats, making cooking simple. The backlit display also allows you to check temperatures easily, even in low light. However, some users have mentioned that the probes can be a bit delicate. Here's the thing though, if you handle them with care, they perform excellently. For a budget option, the quality is impressive, and it's perfect for anyone who doesn't want to spend a fortune. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, user-friendly thermometer that covers all bases. But skip this if you're looking for something high-end with all the bells and whistles. Considering its price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if you're someone who wants a simple setup with smart features, let's check out the last product. Product number 5, TERMOMETR Smart Timer Thermometer. Finally, we have the TERMOMETR wireless meat thermometer priced at just $24.99, which is a steal for what it offers. What caught my eye is its ultra-thin probe and fast reading system. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this is definitely worth a look. It's Bluetooth-enabled for a stable connection up to 800 feet. The app lets you set customizable alerts, so you'll know exactly when your food is ready without hovering over the grill. Plus, the magnetic design allows you to attach it securely to grills or ovens for added convenience. Now, some users pointed out that the app could be a bit clunky from time to time. But I'll be real with you, for this price, you're getting a lot of value. Just consider using the thermometer without the app if you find that frustrating. This is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a no-fuss thermometer at an affordable price. But skip this if you're looking for more advanced features. At $24.99, it's an incredible deal for anyone just starting out or wanting something simple. Alright, that wraps up my top picks for smart wireless meat thermometers. To recap, we've looked at the Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth, the Thermomaven Smart Dual Probe, the Thermomaven 3000 FT, the TempPro TP829, and the TERMOMETR Smart Timer Thermometer. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Thermomaven 3000 FT because of its long-range capabilities and ease of use. I recommend avoiding the Thermomaven Smart Dual Probe if you're on a budget, as it might not be worth the higher price for occasional use. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.